G'day team, Kiwi Craig here. This is one of Ken Luo's very nice scale kits onto the 230S helis. This is the SA315B Llama. Running the micro heli 3-blade head, my own 2-blade folding tail blade. Running a Turnigi 2627 motor, quite a torquey motor. I'm not running super fast head speed like I do on the micro heli S300, so this is about 10% over stock. My S300 is running about 20% over the standard head speed. This is running the thinner carbon fibre 235 blades that come as an option on the 230S 3-blade head. Actually very nice blade, not as aggressive as the longer wider 250 blades I run on some of my other stuff. I would say it smooths the helicopter out though. I can get beautiful smooth precision landings on this, but maybe not quite as responsive or agile at the absolute going for crazy, but that's not what this is about, right? Overall I think these carbon fibre blades are nice for scale flying. Anyway, I'll stop yakking and we'll just give her a spool and just take her for a cruise around. I've only floated a handful of times and it's always sort of been at twilight or in windy conditions, so I've had to be very careful. Beautiful nice day, just a very light breeze, lovely conditions, so we'll put her up, give her a whiz about. Who knows, I might just go up one more tooth on the pinion and just give her a little more whiz of head speed, I think. It's sort of spinning around 3000 at the moment. I know at 3300 they really zoom with these 3-blade heads. Flies really nice and smooth this. Got my own PID setting in the tail. Just got to watch the head with the narrow chord blades, isn't quite as responsive as you might like. We just settled down there. I had to quickly zip up some collective. But cruising around, it's absolutely lovely. Oh, and just look at that, that's just beautiful. This kit with the 315's got a sort of longer tail, longer than the standard setup, so you do get a bit more authority out of the tail as well, so you can tame the tail down. It's just as smooth as silk now. I could just see it settling there, so I just pre-applied some collective there and just bounced it up. That was nice. They take a bit of work to build these kits, but by God they look good. They have a level of sort of scale and detail that you don't get from the sort of the simple canopy mod kits. I think this is flight number 5 on this build, and I'm liking it. Run the 1550 GNV batteries, get a nice solid 6 minutes out of it, easy peasy. I will test it out on the longer 250mm wider chord plastic blades as well. Probably pick up more flight time with those. Don't know whether you can hear that. It's got this sort of whiz 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 noise in the rotor head, and it's definitely the blades that do that. Leading edge on these carbon fibre blades got quite an unusual little lip profile, and it makes this sort of whiz 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 lip noise. Very pleasant. So it sounds like the real thing almost. Alright, we'll just cruise it back in. You guys agree, Ken's kit makes for a very nice little scale helicopter, absolutely lovely. Just need to finish the LEDs, get some nice decals on there, and I am going to fab up some side panels to enclose the main gear, and we'll finish it out in the Air Zermatt colours. But all I can say is fun, fun, fun. Great way to spend a Friday afternoon, sure as hell beats going to work.